Hi, I'm Rob, and I'm standing next to the 2014 Nissan Versa. Subtle chrome grille accents and chrome door handles, sleek lines, and broad shoulders make the Versa sedan stand out. With an optional rear spoiler designed to help enhance aerodynamic downforce, Versa is not only pleasing to the eye, it slices through turbulent winds. Although it may be classified as a compact, the Versa does not lack for space or comfort inside. Reflective chrome accented trim adds subtle style to a classy interior. If you need some major cargo space, then fold down the 60/40 split seats and you have enough for any kind of road trip. When it comes to technology, the Versa offers up some of the most innovative features on the market. A very convenient Bluetooth hands-free phone system accessed by steering wheel controls and integrated iPod interface seamlessly connects you with your tunes. The Versa comes with an optional CVT transmission which fluidly adjusts to driver throttle input and speed for a glass-smooth ride. The electric power steering system automatically adjusts sensitivity, becoming soft and nimble at low speeds for parking or U-turns and more solid at high speeds for better feel and response. When it comes to safety, there's a lot of it packed into the Versa, and most features come standard. Featuring multiple advanced airbags, a tire pressure monitoring system, and vehicle dynamic control with traction control which assists you in unpredictable road conditions, the Versa delivers big safety in a small package. That's just a few reasons why Nissan Versa sedan earned top safety pick from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Style, efficiency, and value are what make the Versa stand out over other cars in its segment. So come down and see us and check out the 2014 Nissan Versa.